कोई अरूज दे न सिवाल दे, मुझे सिर्फ इतना कमाल दे, मुझे अपनी राह में डाल दे, मुझे अपनी राह में डाल दे, के ज़माना मेरी मिसाल दे। I start with the greatest name of Allah Almighty, who is Rahman and Rahim. Today, my topic is about importance of good manners. Man is nothing without good manners. They make a man gentleman. They make a man polite, civilized, and well behaved. They generate a healthy and livable society. If you are polite and gentle, others are also polite and gentle. Courtesy begs courtesy, and bad manner create will and bad relations. Good manner also reflect good conduct and character. They represent the social and cultural progress of the society. It is because of them that life is smooth, enjoyable, and meaningful. Good manners are the other side of culture and good education. A cultured and educated person is always good manner. His behavior with others in home and society is always pleasant. He is welcome everywhere. People like the company of such a person. That is why there is so much emphasis on learning good manner in all educational situations. First of all, good manner taught to the student. A person of polish has better chances of success in life. He can easily approach any person and get favor. A man belonging to a good and cultured family and good family can never be rude, harsh, or manner. Manners are inherited. That's all. Thank you.